All Aboard the Ghost Train by Manuel Rose. Read by Manuel Rose and Melissa Rose. Chapter 1. The Railway Special. It was a beautiful fall day in Newark, New Jersey. The date was October 1st, 1955. The classic Bright Line Railroad locomotive E6 number 466, nicknamed the Lundbergh Engine, was making its last run from Newark to Atlantic City, New Jersey, before retiring. This was the Railway Special, and hundreds of rail fans were there waiting to ride her. 7-year-old Tommy Toombs, his mother Laura, and father Charlie were waiting on line when the old conductor shouted, "All aboard!"
Come on, Mommy and Daddy, all aboard the choo-choo train.
Little Tommy was so excited. He'd never been on a train before, much less a historical antique. Everyone started to board the old train.
Tickets, please. Everyone, please have your tickets ready.
The old locomotive was warming up as the firemen shoveled coal from its tender into the boiler. Smoke billowed out of the chimney from the massive green engine as she prepared for her journey. But there was something different about this train. Laura and Charlie were watching the excitement on their son's face.
Daddy, when are we going?
Soon, Tommy. The conductor has to make sure everyone's on board.
Suddenly, the train started to move. The conductor got to the front and prepared to speak.
Hello, everyone, and welcome aboard the Railway Special. I'm Walter, your conductor. Today we're traveling back in time on an original iron horse. This train was being pulled by...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?